Hi, let's import the AR Foundation samples. Go to the Unity documentation page. Then find the link to the Git repository of the AR Foundation samples. Then find the Releases section and download the zip file of the last tag version. Extract the downloaded file in a folder of your choice. Open Unity Hub. Click in the button menu Add, then Add Project from Disk. Select the project path where you extracted the AR Foundation Samples project. Then set the Unity Editor's version to the same version that you have previously installed and click on the Open With button. Accept the change by clicking in the button Change Version. Then click on the Continue button to load the project. During loading, you may find some issues, but you can click on the Ignore button and proceed with the loading. To fix the issue with TextMesh Pro, click on Menu Window and open the Package Manager. Then select the option Unity Registry and install the TextMesh Pro package and click on Install button. It will install the package and fix the issue. Now we can reload the project. Import the XR environments to the project by opening the XR environment window using the menu window, XR AR Foundation, and selecting the XR environment. Then, click in the Import option. Find and open the scene item using the Assets folder in the project window. Select the Scenes folder, then Menu, then open the Menu Scene object. Now, you can press the Play button and explore the project samples.